Okay, fine. Hello, this is Julie C. Yo, Rosario, guys. I will be your new assignment. So, let me give you one thing.
What about you and Kenny?
Well, Unit Kitty. Well, she was a great person. She's a girl.
No, you and Kenny, like the bad guy. Are you gonna swear at him and stuff? Because he got you today?
Yes. He has been guiding him since a long, and I mean very,
Oh my god. My sister's really gross. Sometimes I can be gross.
Time. Okay, done.
No. I can make it as long as you want me to.
Okay.
So you can talk about anything you want or do anything you want.
So we are almost...
Oh, those stains. I like those stains, don't you?
Yeah. We are already at Inchilly.
That's, you know her?
Yeah.
Hi, Julia. Huh?
And the Wii.
You like Wii? Do you like the Wii? Do you like Wii?
No.
Go to the Y, go either way,
Sometimes
or you go to the gas station.
Video recording is very hard.
Store.
Yeah.
No, it's actually pretty. No, it's actually first. Yeah, no, it's my fifth time. My fifth time because once I hit the stop button, this icon comes up and it says share, and I share it with YouTube. It goes on there. So then you'll be famous.
Then we can listen to the video.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make it as long as you want me to.
So.
Oh, let's do the action. Yeah, make a YouTube video. Okay. Please, sir, don't destroy me.
I have.
No, pretend you're doing bad surgery because I have to tell you where the red vials are.
I'm going to do.
All right, all right, cut.
I have
All right.
a shitload of cans in my
Continue. Jay and Elijah.
Yeah.
Section 2. Action.
Please don't eat me, sir. No, this is just ignoring you.
Pretend you are doing surgery.
I'm doing surgery.
Yeah.
Now open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No, his mouth is open. You have to do surgery everywhere. You have to put every single thing and see what's wrong with him. This is a surgery toy. Action. Wait a minute. Cut. Action 3. Action.
Richie's,
Oh, this is scene 3. Scene 3. Hospital. Mental disorder. Action.
Alright. Now I got whatever on you. I will need you.
Make sure I saw it.
Pretend you said
The dead part.
I was going to send a text until they bring me the
Yeah.
this. All right, nobody's looking. Just like make noise. Make noises where you scream.
Whatever. You got Florida plates on. You can.
And that's it for our final
I'll be
show.
100% because I haven't heard anything.
No, you can make
Bye.
it. Bye. See you later, guys.